how to contact WeChat support. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can contact WeChat support. So kindly watch this video till the end. So let's go. The first step is to sign in into your WeChat account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the page automatically, your chat page. So once you're on your chat page, move down to the bottom right corner of the screen and click on the me icon. After clicking on the me icon, you'll be brought to the me's page. On this page, the last option here is settings, and that is what you would click on. So after clicking on settings and you are brought to the settings page, you would see some options like account security, guardian mode, easy mode, chat, general. Just scroll down and click on help and feedback. So after clicking on help and feedback, you'll be taken to the help and feedbacks page. So on this page, you can see a number of questions. All right, you can see WeChat Help Center, and then you can see a number of questions that you might have. Joining WeChat, getting started, my account, and all of that. And so you can just click on any of these questions in order for you, any of these topics, in order to find articles that have provided answers to questions that you might have. All right. So if you've done this and you still could not find an answer to what you're looking for, the next thing you can do is to scroll down to the last part of the screen where you can see some options like About Internet, WeChat Home, Contact Us, Privacy Policy, WeChat Safety Center, and just click on Contact Us. So after clicking on Contact Us, you'll be taken to the next page. So you can now see under Contact Us, WeChat user feedback and support, report a broken feature, or tell us about your queries and suggestion. Click here, select the category you fall under, and then if you find the category, just click on the link that has been provided, and then you'll be taken to the Contact Us page. So on this page, in order to contact the customer support, you'll be asked to select the platform. First of all right, is it an Android, is it a Windows PC? Select it, then select your region, then I'll select the category, describe the issue, upload a screenshot if you need to. Then you have to enter in your WeChat account as well as your email and select how you want to be contacted. You want to be contacted via your email or via WeChat. Ensure you input it in and then accept the privacy policy, then click on submit, and then your request will be sent to WeChat, and then within few hours or within 24 hours you get a response via your email or your WeChat, depending on the one that you selected. So this is how you can contact WeChat customer support. Very simple. Ensure you do that today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.